Hello students, Standard 7, Subject Max, Chapter 3, Exercise 3.2. First one, see in your textbook what is asked. The score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. So, here test marks are given 19, 25, 23 this. All are max test marks out of 25. 15 students are there, they have given max test. What you have to find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? You have to find first mode, then you have to find afterwards median, and then you have to compare their data that they are same or not. Okay, so first for the mode, what I have told you, you have to arrange first in ascending order. So you arrange for the mode and median both, we have to arrange in ascending order. So here see, I have arranged in ascending order. See here, all for the mode, what we have to see, when first what we have to find mode. So for mode, what we have to see, that which number, which data occurs more time. So here see, carefully observe it. So here 20 occur 4 times. So what is the mode? So you write down like this: 20 occurs 4 times, maximum times. So therefore mode is 20 for the given data. Okay, now second, what is asked? Median is asked. So how many data, how many students are there? Number of observations are, number of observation or number of students are 15. So 15 is what? Odd number, isn't it? So for that, what formula I have told you to take? N plus 1 upon 2. So what is n? N is 15 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 8th observations we have to see. Which observation? 8th observation. So which is 8th? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is your median. So 20. Therefore you write down like this: median of the given data is also 20. So lastly, what they have asked? They have asked that are they same? So you write down yes, they are same. That is 20. Both are same, no? See, both are mode also 20, median is also 20. So they are same, that is 20. Okay, now second one. See here, second is same as first one. So you do in homework. HW. Now quickly see, third one is also same, only median and mode you have to find. See, third one you carefully see. The weight in kg of 15, here also 15 students are there, of a class are, weight are given. Your marks are given, your weight is given. So first what you have to find the mode and median of this data. Okay, here you have to find same as first one, but second one, what is asked, that is there are more than one mode. So see here, what you have to do, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So you arrange the given data in ascending order. See here, I have arranged in ascending order. First what we have to find? Mode we have to find. MODE. For mode, what we have to see? We have to see that which number occurs maximum. So here carefully observe which number repeats. So here 38 1 2 3 times. Okay, and another number, see 43. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times both are same number time occurred. So you have to write here like this. 38 and 43 occurs how many times? 3 times. Maximum times. So what you therefore mode is what? 38 and 43. Both are mode because they both are occur same time. That is why 38 and 43 are mode of the given data. And secondly, what they have asked, that is there more than one mode? Yes, there are more than, yes, 38 and 43, two modes are there. So you have to write yes, there are more than one mode. Is that clear to you? Now quickly see your third one we have done. Now fourth one is same as second and third. So this is also your homework. So fourth one is your HW. Okay, now fifth one, see in your textbook only we will do. Carefully see all of you. This you have understood, na? Third one. Okay, third one you have understood. Now fourth one is your homework, and fifth one, what is given here? True or false. So what you have to do here? True or false. Read the question here in the textbook only. Do tell whether the following statements are true or false. The mode is always one of the number in a data. So what is given here? The mode is always one of the number in a data. So what is that? See, true or false? Is it true? The mean is one of the number in a data. So what is mean? Is there only one mean in the given data? So you write it down. Second one is your false. The median is always one of the number in a given data. So what will come? False. The statement is the false. Okay. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. That you have to find it out and you do it yourself. This statement is false only. Okay, do yourself, true or false. Thank you. This exercise is over.